Hey guys, so this video is going to show you how to create a Google site. It's going to be the basics and it'll help you get started. So the first thing that you want to do is go to your Google Drive. You'll click New, go down to More, and you're going to find Google Sites on that menu that pops up. Once it loads, you'll be able to see that you have a brand new blank Google site. And what I always recommend doing first is going ahead and giving it a title. You can always change this if you want to. Once you have it titled, you can come down and give your page a title as well. This is going to be what appears in the corner of your website. And if you have multiple pages, you'll want to give them all a title. For this example, I just titled the page Miss Pollard's Helpful Links. You can name it your school or whatever that you help, or just OT links or whatever you think will be helpful. Now, you can change this header just by going to where it says change image, and you can upload an image. So if you have one on your computer that you want to upload, you totally can. Or you can go down to select image and go to where it says search, and you'll be able to do a Google search right here. I typed in technology and I'm pressing enter, and I can scroll through these. These are all free links that I can use. I want to pick something cute, and I don't see anything cute in there. But I'm just going to pick this one. So click it and click select. And don't forget, you can upload your own pictures too if you want to do that. Okay, that one's good. So down here in the white area is where you are going to post anything that you want. On your home page, you might just want to put a text box. So notice over here on the side, on the insert, I have text box. I'm going to click it, and I'm going to put in some text. Okay, so I just have some text in there. You can put whatever you want. And if you want it to be larger, because that's kind of small, click where it says normal text, and then you can change it to have whatever size that you want, as well as whichever alignment that you want for your text. Now, you can also put things in here as images or from Drive, and there's also layouts over here. So if you want help with organization, you can click on one of those and you can click the plus sign and upload different things if you want to. But I just want to show you how to add pictures and how to add things from your Google Drive. So on this same menu, I'm going to click images, and I can upload pictures directly from my computer, or I can press select. If I press select, I can do from Google Drive by URL or do a Google image search again. So I'm just going to type something in this box and press enter. And just like before, I can select a picture and click insert, and it's going to put it directly on my page. I can make that picture be larger or smaller by dragging the corners to however size, whichever size that I want. So once I have that on there, I can also click on this picture and I can link to that. So if I want to insert a link to maybe a YouTube video, I could do that. I would find whatever link that I wanted to. It could be a website to something that I use often with my kids or whatever. It doesn't have to be YouTube. And I can copy that, and I can click, again, I clicked on the little file link button. I'm going to paste my link in there and press apply. And when the kids click on that, it's going to take them to whatever I have it linked to. I could also click on the image and go to where the three dots are and add a caption directly underneath. Okay, so I can add as many pictures, as much text, or whatever that I want to on that page. The last thing that I want to show you, if you have Google Slides or anything from your Google Drive that you want to add on here, you can click Google Drive, and you can search for that specific thing, or you can find whatever it is inside of your Drive directly under here. So if I wanted to find something that pertained to my primary work that I do, and I know that the title of it has primary in there, I want to find it and click insert, and it will embed that directly onto my page. And just like with the picture, I can make it bigger if I want to, or I can leave it whatever size that it automatically puts on there. Those are going to be your 3 most common options for creating a Google site: the text box, the image, and the drive. There's other things too down here from the bottom, but you can do everything that you need basically from right there. Sometimes on websites you want to have different pages. So you want to have sub pages, you have your home page and other things too. So to create sub pages, you want to click where it says pages right here, and you will see this plus sign. When you click the plus sign, you can add a new page and click done, and it will add that up there to the top and give you a brand new page to edit. You'll go back to the insert tab and you have all of those same features that you had from our home page. If you want to have a drop down menu because you have multiple resources for that different topic, then you can do that by going to that sub page and clicking the 3 dots and adding a sub page to that. And then you'll see that drop down menu appear. You can add as many pages as you want to onto your site. So you would just add all of those. The last thing to show you on this menu is themes, and that's just where you can go and change the font and the color of your Google site. Now, in order for people to see your website, you have to publish it. Publishing this will make it be open, and it's automatically going to be set to anyone at Franklin County Public Schools can view it. So make sure that you have it to where anyone with the link can view. So you want it to be public if you want families to see it as well. And I did that just when I pressed publish. There was the little button right here, who can view my site. If it doesn't say anyone, go to manage that and click publish, and it's going to publish it. And once it gets finished, it's going to give you a URL that you can find by clicking right here. You can copy that link and you can put it inside of Google Classrooms or however you get links to your families. If you ever want to preview your site as a student or as a viewer instead of as an editor, you can click the little Chromebook and phone icon there, and it will show you what that looks like to your viewers. To get back to your edit mode, you would just click the X and it would take you back. The last thing to show you on this video is that right here, the person with the plus sign, you can share that with others, and that's where you can go in and you can add an editor. So if you just type their email address in, you can choose them as an editor or a published viewer. But you only need to do that for editors, really, because anybody that you give a link to will be able to see your published site. So you'd press send, and they would get an email saying, hey, Stella has invited you to be an editor on this page. Do you accept it, or whatever? From now on, whenever you go on and you make changes, it's going to automatically save that in edit mode. But in order for your viewers to see the changes, you want to make sure that you press publish, and it will show you what has changed and show you like each version. So if I press publish again now, it shows me my draft and my current version. If I'm done, I click publish, and my viewers will be able to see my newly updated website. So this has been a video to show you how to use Google Sites, and hopefully you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know.